Welcome to YouTube channel of Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. I am A.K. Jha. Today I am going to explain some of the important topic of genetics and evolution chapter. In this chapter we have to study today genetic disorders and several terms related to this topic. First of all, pedigree analysis. A study of the family history, about inheritance of a particular trait in a several of generations of a family is called the pedigree analysis, because in human being and animals the controlled cross is not possible, and it is the alternative of controlled cross, that is pedigree analysis, is the alternative to find the inheritance of characters from one generation to other generation in human being. That means a study of the family history about inheritance of a particular trait in a several of generations of a family is called the pedigree analysis. Related to pedigree analysis, we study sex-linked characters. Those characters or traits which are linked with particular sex chromosome are called sex-linked characters or sex-linked traits. Once again, I repeat, sex-linked characters are those characters which are linked with particular sex chromosome, just like the hair on pinna. The characters for hair on pinna is found on Y chromosome, appears only in male and carried by female. Blue color of eye, these are the sex-linked characters. And next is the sex-linked inheritance. So inheritance of sex-linked traits, that means those traits whose genes are found on sex chromosome. Inheritance of sex-linked trait from one generation to another generation is called sex-linked inheritance. For example, hair on pinna is inherited from one generation to another generation. Blue color of eye is also inherited from one generation to other generation. Baldness, it is also inherited from one generation to other generation. Found on genes for baldness, also found on Y chromosome, and appears only in male and carried by female. So these are the sex-linked characters. These are not considered as disease. Now we study sex-linked diseases. So these are the diseases which arise due to inheritance of sex-linked characters. The disease which arise due to inheritance of sex-linked characters are called sex-linked inheritance. Now we study some sex-linked diseases which occurs due to sex-linked inheritance. First is hemophilia. Hemophilia is also called royal disease because this disease first of all found in the family of Queen Victoria. So it is also called royal disease. In this disease, normal clotting time of blood extends up to 1 hour, while you know that the normal clotting time of blood is up to 3 minutes. And in this disease, a man can die even with a minor injury due to loss of blood called anemia. So it is a fatal disease. Normal clotting time of blood extends up to 1 hour. The genes for this disease are found on X chromosome and are recessive. That means this disease generally appears in male and carried by female. Male is generally hemophilic and female becomes carrier. In female, this disease appears only in homozygous condition, that is when in female both X chromosome has the genes of hemophilia, then this disease also appears in female. Next sex-linked disease is color blindness. In this disease, men helps to distinguish between red and green color. Genes for this disease also found on X chromosome and are recessive. In this disease, generally color blindness occurs in male and carried by female. Female becomes carrier, and in female this disease appears only when the both X chromosome has the disease of color blindness. In this way, some other genetic disorders also is inherited from one generation to another generation. In next day, we start another topic of genetics and evolution, that is evolution of organism.